Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress Maintenance team here at Valet. WooCommerce 4.6 was released last week and it's a minor release. It adds a new and beautiful home screen on your store admin dashboard. The new screen shows you interesting info like stats of sales, orders and store management links. The plugin application passwords will be integrating WordPress core starting version 5.6. It's a plugin that allows authentication capabilities for third-party applications. It will allow easy REST API authentication without the need of an external plugin. On the security side, please make sure you have WPBakery updated to the latest version 6.4.1 as it fixes an XSS vulnerability. That's it. Have a wonderful week.